Morning. I'm on the balcony. It's early, tanning, reading, and we have a fun day with my horse plant.
I think so.
And also to give background, I haven't spoken once in this video.
It's all drinking.
Dinner. I'm spilling it everywhere.
I am really horrible.
What is that?
Oh wow, apple.
Love apple too. I'm really into that.
Paige, what is that? The marshmallow is really good.
That?
The sauce that it comes in is not polenta. It's like a creme brulee. Panna cotta? Panna cotta. It's like panna cotta. Yeah, no, we've done it before.
Is that apple?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's.
It's actually really good. I don't know. We'll definitely know
Brother.
raisin. Chocolate blueberry with like a raspberry or strawberry.
Bye bye. Very good.
Wait, you were giving me shit for the marshmallow.
There is some more apple. You're right. Apple was also pretty good. The bugs. Bro, what? That's a magic trick.
Ready? Yeah.
You can do it. It's a video.
I can do it.
Fire in the hole.
So what is the OJ?
My name is Olivia Jade. 2 shot. Oh my god.
Hi. Who are you? You're perfect.
I'm back in New York. Help. I'm ready to lock back in for like 2 weeks. But it's the morning. I'm going to Aloe for a workout, and then I'm gonna sweat out whatever I've consumed between Paris, Saint-Tropez, and then my weekend in New York. Just like drinking. My kitchen's a mess, and I just wanna like clean it up a little bit. Let's clean. I'm going to Aloe. I'm late, so let's go. Good morning. Guys, today's a really fun day. We're going to the World Cup, and then it's Knicks. Game 5. Sport day. To get the like leftover matcha, sometimes I just taking a probiotic every day. I like these array ones because you don't have to refrigerate them. Is it weird to like do it with my matcha? I kind of want to book a blow dry today because we have World Cup and Knicks, and then I feel like I'll go out.
I thought.
I feel like this just fits better. This I'm taking apart. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing it like a little dress, but with shorts. Don't really care who wins, but fake fan.
How do you, that would be our goal on that side, so.
To go through our checklist. So we've got a checklist that we use for onboarding new clients.
Okay.
We have our English case.
I've been sleeping so poorly. I don't know what is going on. That's a really light color, but whatever. How cute. I'm going to Aloe. I put this set on. And then my new hoodie that Paige sent me. Oh, it's freezing in my apartment. I'm making some food right now. Right on cue. Right after Aloe, I go to a lymphatic massage. That will probably end around noon, and it's like 7, so I feel like I'll be really hungry. So yeah, I need to get a manicure today, and then I also have a like physical therapist massage later because my back's out. I'm getting old. And not my whole back, but like my upper back. And then I also have a meeting at 2 o'clock with this like consultant, potentially for Opicla. So yeah, just making toast, and then I'm gonna make 2 eggs. I have to leave in like 10 minutes, so I don't really know why I'm acting like I have time. Breakfast. I normally like my eggs like a soft scramble, but I did not have time. My outfit is crazy. I like saying move slow. 6 more.
No, I mean, like, I can't travel, so, like, there's none of that.
I'm going to my lymphatic. I just finished my lymphatic and it was amazing. I just got home and I marinated some chicken last night when I was on meeting, and I was going to cook it for dinner, but then I went out to dinner with my friends. So I'm gonna make it, I don't know if I'm gonna eat it for lunch, but I'm going to make it right now. Otherwise I just won't, and I'm feeling inspired, and I haven't felt very inspired to cook in New York as of lately, so while the interest is here, I'm just gonna throw it on. The marinade was like a miso, ginger, soy, Asian kind of flavor. I'm also about to run the dishwasher, which is like mostly why, so I can add this in. So I actually really want a yogurt bowl for lunch, and I'm not going to eat this, but I feel like when you vlog cooking, you have to try it. So I'm gonna just try one. Oh, that's like incredible. Do I want this for lunch? No, I'm gonna have a rice bowl for dinner, and this is going in it. Yay, now I don't have to cook dinner. I have so much work to do. I'm signing off.
Being on communications, winning their pricing strategy. And I held off on that while you're out of stock now.
You know what I haven't done in a long time on my YouTube, or at least I feel like I haven't? Like an old Olivia summer clothing haul where I like try on the clothes. I feel like I haven't sat down and done like a try on proper clothing haul since I'm like 14 years old on YouTube. So this is the most me brand, and I feel like a lot of you are going to be obsessed with it. It's called Laneway the label. It's Australian. Like, firstly, this little set, shorts, actually perfect. I'm gonna move quick because we have a lot. Another perfect set. These shorts, I love how they're just like very oversized with this matching long sleeve. The top I'm wearing is also laneway. We have this top that is so sexy, lacy and black and very low cut. I'm really into this dress, which I feel like is kind of surprising because it's very girly, colorful, frilly, cutesy, but I think it's just like so charming. This dress is so pretty. It's like this gorgeous silk lilac. I have this dress, it's a maxi, and again, just like fits beautifully. We also have it in yellow. Again, just a long maxi. This dress is the most darling little thing ever. It's perfect, it's a little mini dress. This is very see-through, but it's so sexy and like flowy and just gorge. And then this dress is the same, but just mini. And lastly, another white dress. I don't need to buy another dress all summer. I do have to pack because I'm leaving for England. My girlfriend's getting married, and so I'm just kind of making a trip out of it and staying for a few weeks. And I don't know, just summer dresses make packing so much easier. I think I've ordered from this brand like a long time ago and I don't remember loving it. And then recently I reordered a dress and I'm obsessed with it, and like it inspired another purchase. The brand is called Jova Brown. Their stuff is exceptionally soft. I got this cute blouse. This is actually a top, but in the try on, I just have like biker shorts on, so it looks like a dress, but it's like a tunic. I got that same tunic top in white. I think it might be in this vlog, this dress I was wearing at some point, I'm pretty sure. But I just love this gray color, so. After I knew I liked how it fit and I've worn it a few times, I got another color. But that's my haul.
Be free. Let me go.
Okay. It's okay, bud. That's fun.
It's perfect. I wish I could take it back to New York.